So, good afternoon sa lahat. So, this is my first vlog sa YouTube. So, I hope i-subscribe nyo ako at i-like yung video ko. So, as what you can see on the screen, it's earn money by playing. So, ano nga ba to? So, it's a coin birds. So, sa mga magtatanong, ano nga ba yung coin birds? Ito ay isang online investment game na magbabay ka ng birds. Hihintayin mo lang siya maglay ng eggs at isi-sell mo, which ang silver coins ay pwede maging pera. So, search natin sa Google yung coin birds. By the way, kung magsa-sign up kayo, it's free lang to. Wala kayong ilalagay na pera o kahit na ano. So, eto. Coin birds investment farm with money withdrawal. Kung may mga payer kayo, web money, MASTERCARD, Visa International, Bitcoin, pwede dito. So, by the way, bago pa lang ako dito sa coinbirds.com. So, hindi pa ako nakapag-withdraw. So, sa makikita nyo sa screen, it's earn money by playing, stable earnings with our affiliate program. Sa affiliate program, mabibigyan ka ng 250 silver coins kada may mapapasali ka. So, basahin natin. Number 1, buy birds, they will lay eggs for you. Pangalawa, eggs will be stored in the storehouse. Collect them. Ito yung storehouse. Eggs warehouse. Pangatlo, sell eggs and you will get silver coins. At pang-apat, exchange silver coins for real money. So, sa gusto mag-sign up lang dito sa sign up button. So, ito, naka-automatic na yung account ko. Ito, makikita nyo itong replenish account. Once makapag-sign up ka, may malalagay na amount dyan. Hindi ko na maalala. Yun yung ibibili nyo ng I'm sorry, ng birds. Ito nakikita nyo itong yellow, brown, red, green, blue, at saka kingbird. Ito yung mga birds na bibilhin nyo. So, tingnan natin yung buy birds kung magkano yung mga birds. So, click natin to. I'm sorry kasi medyo naano yung boses ko. Medyo mahina yung internet ngayon. Ito, basahin lang natin saglit yung bird shop. At the shop, you can buy different birds. Every bird gives special eggs which can be sold at the market in exchange for real money. Every type of bird has different amount of eggs. The more expensive the bird is, the more eggs it lays. You can buy them unlimited amount of times. Our birds don't die and will always give eggs. So, ito si green, yellow, brown, blue, red, at saka kingbird. Ito yung mga pinakita ko sa taas. Ito yung nabili ko si green kasi mura lang. 150 silver coins to. Nakabili na ako ng 5. Ito yellow, brown, mga mamahal na to. So, tingnan natin sa eggs warehouse. Kung may eggs na ba na nandito ngayon. Kasi kakakuha ko lang din kanina. So, may 3 ako. Tapos, may remaining pa na 1,619 eggs. So, collect natin to. So, dito naman sa eggs warehouse, nakadepende sa'yo yun kung kukunin mo once a week or once a month. So, it's up to you. So, tingnan natin sa egg selling kung magkano lahat yung eggs. Ito, basahin lang din natin saglit. Here, you can sell eggs and get silver coins which you can swap for real money. The silver coins got after processing are divided between 2 of your accounts. The account for buying and the account for withdrawal. Ito, replenish at saka withdraw funds. In proportion, 70% to the account for buying, the replenish account, ito, and 30% to the account for withdrawal. So, sell rate of eggs. Every 100 eggs, may 1 silver coins ka. Pero sa akin, may 16.22 silver coins ako. So, sell all natin to. Try natin. makikita nyo mag-change to dito. Hintayin lang muna natin saglit. Kasi mahina talaga. Sobra. Ang nakano dito kasi pwede nyo siyang i-share sa YouTube. May ano kayo dito, may 5,000 silver coins pag nagustuhan nila yung ano mo, YouTube video mo. Okay, you have sold 1,622 eggs to the sum of 16.22 silver coins. So, tignan natin ngayon dito sa dashboard. Okay, may 499.97 at may 12.42 na ako. May ano nga pala dito, may daily bonus din. Yung daily bonus, every 24 hours kukunin yun. So, ito meron ako. Bonus is given once in 24 hours. Bonus is given out with silver coins to the account for buying. The sum of the bonus is generated randomly from 10 to 100 silver coins. So, get a bonus. Once makapag-sign up kayo dito, kayo na bahala mag-calculate ng profit nyo. Nasa baba lang ng promo materials. Ito, calculate profit. Every marirefer nyo may 250 silver coins kayo. Okay, here you can calculate your profit, enter the number of birds, and as a result, get how much they will bring you money in 24 hours. From eggs sold in the warehouse, 70% goes to silver for shopping and 30% to silver for payouts. Please note that your earnings will increase exponentially for you will buy new birds for silver for buying. So, once nakapag-sign up kayo, meron na kayong money sa account ninyo. So, kayo na bahala mag-calculate ng profit ninyo. So, click natin tong YouTube. Tingnan natin to kung ano yung nandito. Babasahin lang natin to. So, eto. Yung sinabi ko kanina na may 5,000 silver coins kayo once shinare nyo to sa YouTube. So, every participant who will send a video will get 5,000 silver coins for buyings, and the best works will be awarded with precious prizes. So, may mga conditions din siya. Duration of the video at least 2 minutes, voice quality without interference, and other undesirable moments. The video should have an interesting name and at least 100 views. So please do not send someone else's video or your account will be banned. So, eto. Na-share ko na lahat. So, if gusto nyo mag-sign up lang kayo. It's free. So, uulitin ko yung payments nito. Pwede Bitcoin, web money, MASTERCARD, Visa International, kung may ADVCASH kayo, pwede rin PayPal, Perfect Money. Tingnan pa natin. Marami to eh. Wait lang. Eto. OKPAY, PAYEER. Yun lang. So, sa mga magtatanong kung pwede ba i-withdraw agad right away after replenishment and buying birds, pwede. So, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you sa panonood.